think it's a different red bird. I don't think it's a cardinal. Cardinal and blue jay. Female cardinal's watching me. She's thinking about coming to get some food. She was just right over my head. Now she's up there looking, watching me. It's a blue jay. still watching me. There's always all kind of birds in this tree. They fly all around the yard. Here. In the woods behind me. I was sitting out here the other day, and the cardinals come down right beside me and was eating. I was like, what? I had a hummingbird fly up to my window the other day. He was just sitting there flapping his wings looking at me. I was like, what? I love hummingbirds. But I just filled my hummingbird feeder up, and as soon as I did, he knew I did, and he came. And I hadn't had any in there for a couple days, so that's wild. He knew when I had it out there. They watched me. I think you could see it, but there's two cardinals over there in the woods over there across the dirt road. I have two sets of cardinals, two mates, two sets. Yeah, two. I seen them all four at the same time. About fell out. I still see him. I was trying to see if he's gonna fly back this way. There he comes. Well, they play around in all these trees around me. It's pretty cool. I'm praying that Yahweh rains on the pagan holiday. Today's Shavuot, but instead people are out celebrating, honoring, mourning the dead. It's a pagan holiday. Please let it rain, Yahweh, so they can't celebrate like they want to. There's some birds down there. These are the birds that my cats like to catch, and I don't like that. But they come down in the field down there. And when they do, my cats get them down there. They get chipmunks, they get birds, they get rabbits. I really like to know what that bird is. Y'all, that's that dirt road that I told y'all that crow, that dude left. It's just a forested little dirt road, one road. And a black crow, whatever kind, flew in behind him as soon as he left. As soon as he disappeared, here from that bird at his fault. I think I might have to change my bowl that I put that food in, because I had it in something else. And I think it's reflecting, so the cardinals are really not wanting to come down. I'm gonna wait and see. But I gotta get them some bird food. I like watching the birds in this tree. There's so many birds that go to this tree. I seen some kind of bird earlier over here, and it was like a sparrow, or I don't know what a sparrow looks like, but it made me think of, it was like a medium-sized bird. It was pretty big. There's many birds I'm seeing that I don't know what they are, but I'm gonna try to learn.